Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of stream on AliExpress app. To know how to fix or how to solve stream on AliExpress app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can click on AliExpress and you can click. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors or can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.